Hello student, how are you? Fine? Okay. Today I am discuss with you about your subject. What's the subject you choose in class 11th? First of all, great thank you for all of the students who select the commerce as a career opportunity. Today I am discuss with you about commerce and what is the opportunities. First of all, I talking about you to well known about the what the subject you study in commerce in the class 11th. There is a five subject is studied in class 11th. The first subject is accountancy. Second subject is business study. Third subject economics. Economics also two parts, macro and microeconomics. Fourth subject is English, and fifth subject we have the two options in my school. First, fine art, and second, music. Both are both subjects are available in my school. You choose any one in fifth subject. Hello students, I am Nandan Tiwari. I am your class teacher, and if you have any problem regarding your subject, you contact me through the school. Otherwise, I try to clear your all the problems according to the commerce. Dear student, today I am discussing with you my subject accountancy. What is accountancy? Why we read the accountancy? I hardly say to you, if you are select the study commerce, you must be remind, you must be learn. Accountancy is the main and important subject of your career opportunities. If you are select the account to your career, you must be learn a basic concept of the accountancy. Without the basic fundamental concept of the accounting, you are never try to the gain a best opportunity in this sectors. So class 11th is the very crucial for your knowledge. So I hope you do well and you work hard in class 11th to know about the your subject. I clear to you why we select the accounts as a career opportunity. We know that today is business world, modern era is the business. Opportunities have more and more. There is more opportunities create more jobs, and more jobs create the more financial strength. So we are as the account students select according to the your efficiency and according to the your knowledge. Otherwise, no chances to create a great opportunities without the hard work. There is no shortcut to learn about the accountancy. We work hard to get knowledge about your subject. Why we read accountancy? Basically, what you read in accountancy? Basically, we know that today there is a financial era, and all the organizations and the companies, firms are maintain her financial situations time to time. Normally, we are we maintain the financial expenses and the financial awareness in overall the years. What is your financial awareness? I know what is my income, what is my expenditures, what is my savings, how can we invest. There is so many are the accounting information, and that means financial information for you, as well as company have requirement it's. So you are as a commerce student sort out this problem. So you have to must be deep knowledge about your subject then you sort out the problem. Generally, there is a more financial organizations create the more job opportunities for the accounting students. So we prepare to sort out the types of the problem to achieve the more opportunities. So accountancy clear maintain the business norms and the opportunities who are provide the jobs. Students, I suggest you kindly in class 11 and give your best to maintain your future. If the fundamental and the basic concept are not clear, you are not getting a more opportunities and of a future. So if you want to get a more future, more advantage, you must be learned sincerely in class 11th and 12th. It is your basic and the fundamental approach to learn about your subject. Overall, accountancy is related to the business events, so accounts must be prepared you as a sort out the business problems, financial problems and other than. So thank you students. It is a very opportunity. It is a very opportunities to create a job in your future if you tactically learn well. So very congratulations all of my students who select the accounts as a subject. Thank you. In this video, we will know about the why we read sincerely accounts for your career. Okay, I discuss with you your subject matter, introductions of accountancy. What accountancy is basically related to the business events. Accountancy is basically related to the business event because business events are two types: monetary events and the non-monetary events. And accountancy also related to the financial state, prepare the financial statements and the financial conditions of the business. So we learn about the monetary events of the accountancy, monetary events of the business in accountancy. What is business? Buying and selling activities of goods and services are called business. If you consider about the business, we well understand about the work of the accounts. Buying and the selling activities is related to the monetary activities. When you purchase a goods, what's happened? Just like you think when you go to the market and purchase a pen, what's happened? At times you purchase a pen, a shopkeeper give you pen and you give what? You give money. That means this transaction is related to the money, so we say that transaction is a monetary transactions. When you go to the market and purchase a vegetable and etc other things, what's happened? Similarly, you purchase the things and paid the money. That means the types of the events are monetary transaction. As a seller, when we consider what is the accounting transactions for you, when a person purchases the goods and other things for you, that is called the accounting transactions, because the person purchased a goods, in this time he paid the money for your goods and services. That's related to the monetary events and that's related to the monetary transactions. So you say that the business is related to the monetary term. What is business events? Those events which occurs in the normal opportunities of the business, like selling and the buying activities, are called business events. What is the meaning of the business events? Be clear that opportunity we create, the buying and the selling activities are called business events. There's a purpose of the business: buying and selling, purchase and sale of the goods and services. So business events is opportunities which is created the when goods and services are provided to the customers. There are two types of the business events. First type is the monetary events and second is the non-monetary events. What is monetary events? Monetary events is basically related to the monetary transactions. There is two types of the business event. First is monetary event and second is the non-monetary event. What is monetary events? What is monetary event? Those business events that can be expressed in the monetary terms are called monetary events. Those business transactions which are expressed in the monetary terms. Otherwise, if the transaction is not related in monetary terms and not expressed as a monetary terms, it is not a monetary events. Second thing is non-monetary events. What is non-monetary events? Those events that cannot be expressed in the monetary terms are called non-monetary events. Just like recruitment of the employees को recruit करना, that is not a monetary events. When you help the friends, that is not a monetary events. Charity and that types of the events which is not related to the money are called the non-monetary event in the business. Next video we consider about deeply. And okay, thank you, keep care and watch regularly my video.